Let me ask you a question. How is it possible that you're making more money than you did 5 years ago, yet you're still stressed every time you open your banking app? How is it possible that your paycheck keeps getting bigger, but your wealth stays the same? You earn good money, you work hard, you pay your bills, and yet, at the end of every month, your account looks like someone robbed you. You tell yourself you're doing okay because you drive a decent car. You live in a nice apartment. You take vacations. You own the latest phone. But here's the uncomfortable truth. You look rich. You are not rich. And every year you continue this cycle, you're getting further away from financial freedom. The worst part, most people never realize they're trapped until they're 50 years old with no assets, no passive income, and no retirement plan. If that's not the future you want, stay with me, because today I'm going to show you the simple rule that separates people who stay broke forever from people who quietly build wealth. It's called the 20% rule, and it can completely change your financial future. Most people think they have an income problem. They don't. They have a spending problem. Every time they get a raise, their lifestyle gets a raise too. New car, bigger apartment, more subscriptions, more dining out, more shopping, more treating themselves. And before they know it, their expenses rise to meet their income. This is called lifestyle creep. It's one of the biggest wealth killers in America. Think about it. Someone making $60,000 a year says, if I could just make $100,000, everything would change. Then they make $100,000 and suddenly they're still broke. Now they believe, if I could just make $150,000. Then they make $150,000, still stressed, still living paycheck to paycheck, still one emergency away from financial disaster, because income doesn't create wealth. Assets create wealth. And that's the lesson most people never learn. The average person gets paid and asks, what can I buy? The wealthy get paid and ask, what can I own? That's the difference. One buys liabilities. The other buys assets. One spends first and invests what's left. The other invests first and spends what's left. One is chasing status. The other is building freedom. The average person is trying to look rich. The wealthy are trying to become rich. Big difference. The wealthy understand something that most people ignore. Money is not designed to sit in your bank account. Money has a job. Its job is to go out into the world and bring back more money. Every dollar you spend is gone forever. Every dollar you invest becomes an employee working for you 24 hours a day. The question is, how many employees are working for you right now? Most people have none. That's why they stay trapped. Here's the rule. Every payday, before you spend a single dollar, before rent, before shopping, before entertainment, before anything, take 20% of your paycheck and invest it automatically, not manually, automatically, because discipline eventually fails. Systems don't. Let's say you earn $3,000 every 2 weeks. 20% is $600. That money immediately goes into investments, index funds, ETFs, retirement accounts, assets that grow over time. Now here's where life changes. You stop asking, can I afford this? And start asking, can I afford this after investing my 20%? That single mindset shift changes everything, Because now investing becomes your first bill, not your last priority, and over time, those investments begin to grow, then compound, then multiply, then eventually generate income on their own. That's when money starts working harder than you do. The reason most people never become wealthy isn't because they lack intelligence. It's because they lack consistency. Everybody wants financial freedom. Very few people want financial discipline. Everyone loves the dream. Nobody loves the process. People want millionaire results, but they refuse to build millionaire habits. They want compound growth, but they quit after 6 months. They want passive income, but they spend every dollar they earn. The truth is simple. Wealth isn't built in 1 year. It's built through thousands of small decisions repeated consistently. And most people never stay in the game long enough to win. The version of you 10 years from now is watching. That future version knows exactly what happens if you keep doing what you're doing. Keep spending everything. Keep delaying investing. Keep waiting for the perfect time. And you'll wake up one day wondering where all the years went. But that future version also knows what happens if you start today. Invest at 20%. Stay consistent. Ignore distractions. Buy assets. Let compound growth do its job. And one day, you'll realize something incredible. Your investments are making more money than your job. That's when freedom begins. If you're tired of making good money and still feeling broke, if you're ready to stop looking wealthy and start becoming wealthy, if you're ready to learn how money actually works, comment 20% money below right now. I'll send you my complete wealth building system, and remember, the wealthy don't spend what's left after investing. They invest what's left after living. The question is, will your next paycheck build your future or fund another month of excuses?